The Simpull Barrel cable drum is Southwire's original branch circuit solution product, ideal for job sites with longer runs and home run pools. Designed to simplify branch circuit installations, the Simpull Barrel cable drum contains up to 7 parallel conductors per barrel, increasing productivity and reducing the potential for injury while avoiding broken spools, excess material handling, and scrap. The Simpull No Lube wire jacket eliminates any need to lube, resulting in minimal pulling tension and more efficient pulls. Easy payoff directly out of the package, requiring less setup and effort to pull versus conventional wire pulling methods. Optional carts, accessories, and equipment as part of the Simpull circuit management system are available to increase productivity even more. Southwire carries a variety of Simpull Barrel cable drum constructions, available in simple THHN sizes 10 gauge through 14 gauge from 1 to 7 conductors and sizes 6 to 8 gauge THHN from 1 to 4 conductors. New for 2020, Simpull Barrel cable drums are now eligible for Southwire Speed services. Speed services allow for most non-stock or made-to-order Simpull Barrel cable drum constructions to be made with a reduced minimum, expedited lead time, or both. Select constructions in basic color configurations are eligible for a guaranteed 1 barrel minimum and 2-week lead time. For more information, contact your local Southwire representative or Southwire Speed at swspeed@southwire.com.